back again for a second treatment. This is going to be the second henna treatment for locks. As you can see, we're doing really, really good. Mashallah, they're still dark. They're still moving. She told us that what? Your son said what?
My hair has got life.
No, your hair has life. And when you're there, you go. And when your hair has life, your face will also have life. You look younger. It's called turning back time.
Only here at Cultural Naturals. Please find us in Katavian.
Fresh cafe banga, 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 banga.
Okay, done. You can see our dreads looking healthy, and I can still not get about your sunset. Looking like they have life. Soft, glossy, shiny, blinging, moving. See, somebody's loving her hair. If you don't love it, doesn't matter. She loves it to the maximum. It feels amazing. Feels so soft. That's one thing about Culture. She was even telling us that about a friend of ours who was using another chibe and doesn't give the same result. And she's like, those are who like cheap things. That's their problem. So you get a real deal value for money as soon as you get the results, because there you go, the life that her young man wanted.
Fresh cafe banga, tick tack. 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 Fresh cafe banga, tick